वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to season 2 of Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. My dear friends, can you ever measure, like in literal numbers, the love, kindness, or depth of our feelings for family and friends? As such, can we measure God and His blessings? Well, I cannot. Can you? Friends, these treasures lie beyond the reach of science, which wants to define and analyze. But religion invites us to experience and immerse ourselves in the immeasurable love of God. In today's episode, we are going to learn the immeasurable virtues of Almighty through the body 26 of Japji Sahib. In this body, Guru Nanak Ji repeats the word Amul, which translates to priceless, almost 18 times to remind us that everything connected to the divine is beyond value. God's virtues, blessings, justice, and creation are all priceless. So, let's begin. अमूल्य गुण अमूल्य व्यापार अमूल्य व्यापारी है अमूल्य भंडार अमूल्य आवे अमूल्य ले जाए अमूल्य पाए अमूल्य समाए अमूल्य धर्म अमूल्य दी बाण. Meaning, here Guru Nanak Ji says that the virtues of Almighty are beyond measure, infinite and incomparable. Almighty's love is boundless, His grace unending, and His compassion immeasurable. Gurbani describes God's compassion, love, truth, justice, and grace as priceless, nurturing all creation with endless kindness. These divine treasures are priceless gifts for those who seek Him with devotion. Guruji then says that the trade of these sacred virtues is also priceless. Those who devote themselves to spreading and sharing the Almighty's virtues, as said in Pauri, are His Vapariye, meaning His dealers. They are invaluable. These dealers, through their actions, teachings, and service, distribute the wealth of divine qualities to others and guide them towards righteousness. Now, you might ask, who are these dealers? They are the saints, Siddhs, who talk about Almighty and tell us how to connect with the divine. Furthermore, Guruji says, those who come into this world and embrace the divine's virtues and leave transformed are also priceless. And the most precious are the ones immersed in divine love. There is nothing in this world that can compare to the perfection of Almighty. Moving further with the body. अमूल्य तुल अमूल्य परवान अमूल्य बख्शीस अमूल्य निशान अमूल्य करम अमूल्य फरमान अमूल्यो अमूल्य आख्या ना जाए आख आख रहे लिबलाए. Meaning, here Guru Nanak Ji praises the Almighty's court and his divine justice, where every one of our action, good or bad, is weighed with absolute accuracy. Every judgment made there is precise, symbolized by the representation of scales, weights, and measures. Friends, think about the grace of Almighty on us for a second. Just look around. The earth beneath our feet, the vast sky, the glowing stars, and the radiant moon, the air we breathe, and the nourishing water we drink. Moreover, the complex mechanisms of the body, the mountains and rivers, all are expressions of Almighty's infinite generosity on us. Then Guruji says that priceless is the divine order that governs the whole universe. Further, he says that even the symbol or medium that connects to the Almighty is invaluable as they guide seekers towards Him. For example, the Khanda in Sikhism, the cross in Christianity, the Star of David in Judaism, the crescent moon in Islam, and the Om in Hinduism. My dear friends, Guruji also reminds us to respect each and every symbol and their significance as they hold unique meaning for each individual on their spiritual path. Now, let us move into the second part of this body. Here, Guru Nanak Dev Ji transitions from the term Amul to Akhe, which means speak of. In the second part, Guru Nanak Ji describes the countless ways people attempt to describe or speak of the divine virtues through scriptures, speeches, or worship, even by divine being. However, Guruji reminds us that no description can ever fully capture the Almighty's greatness. So, let's listen how. आखे वेद पाठ पुराण आखे पढ़े करे बखियान आखे बर में आखे इंद आखे गोपी ते गोविंद. Meaning, Guru Nanak Ji says that the historic scriptures like Vedas and Puranas speak of Almighty's praises. Scholars and preachers who repeat His name and give spiritual teachings also praise Almighty. Many celestial beings, including Brahma and Indra, sing Almighty's glories. Even Lord Krishna and the gopis express their devotion to Almighty. Moving further with the body. आखे ईसर आखे सिद्ध आखे केते कीते बुद्ध आखे दानव आखे देव आखे सुर नर मुन जन से. Meaning, Guruji further continues by saying that holy being like Shiva, Siddhs, and enlightened Buddhas recognize Almighty's supreme power. Even demons and demigods, despite their contrasting natures, talk about Almighty's virtues. Saints and silent sages, through their service and wisdom, also honor Almighty. This shows that the Almighty's greatness exceeds all boundaries and is acknowledged by all creation. Moving further with the body, केते आखे आखण पाए, केते कह कह उठ उठ जाए, एते कीते होर करे, ता आख न सकै के. Meaning, now, further explaining Almighty's greatness, Guruji says that countless human souls throughout history have tried to describe Almighty. They have engaged in deep discussions, reflections, and teachings about Him. Yet, despite their efforts, none have succeeded in fully understanding or expressing the Almighty's essence. They have all ultimately left from this world without any explanation of God's infinite nature. Now, moving to the last part of the body. जे वड भावै ते वड होवे, नानक जाणै साचा सोए, जे को आखै बोल विगाड़, तां लिखिए सिर गावारा गावार. Meaning, Guru Nanak Ji explains that only the Almighty truly knows His greatness and truth. Anyone claiming to fully understand or describe him is simply showing their ignorance. The Lord is as great as he chooses to be, beyond human understanding. And Guruji says if anyone claims that he can describe Almighty's virtues or greatness, then that shall be considered as the greatest fool of all. My dear friends, the greatest miracle is surrendering to God. When we trust the divine, life unfolds in ways we can't explain. Moreover, this body teaches us that our real wealth lies in values like kindness, humility, and love for the divine, all of which are priceless. Therefore, let go of control, believe in miracles, and let Vaheguru Ji guide you. I hope this brings some light into your lives. Thank you.